Hey everyone, happy to share with you something new we just put live on our website, and that's a free resource for everything that you wanted to know about diagnostic code. Say you have a fault code on a machine, you can simply search for it. There are different types of codes. There are SPNs, there are EIDs, event IDs, and module IDs, and so on. You can search by each one of them. I'm going to search for code 758. And I can see what it relates to. You can also do a reverse search, like for example, show me all the codes that are relevant for DEF, and then get the list right away here. This is live on our website. It's free. You don't need to pay money. You don't need to register. One centralized location for all the fault code information you ever wanted to know and ask about. If you have any questions, things we didn't cover, codes we don't have, whatever it is, feel free to let us know in the comment.